Did you know that the right accessories can completely transform your Galaxy S25 Ultra experience? It's not just about having a powerful phone, it's about enhancing every feature to its fullest. Whether you're looking for unbeatable protection, supercharged battery life, or game-changing camera upgrades, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 favorite accessories for the S25 Ultra, and trust me, you'll want to stick around because I'll be crowning the ultimate winner at the end. And yep, all the links are in the description below, so let's jump right in. 5. CASEKOO Crystal Clear 360 DEG Spin Magnetic Stand Case. Let's kick things off with the CASEKOO Crystal Clear 360 DEG Spin Magnetic Stand Case. Now, if you think this is just another clear case, think again. This case is like having the best of both worlds: military-grade protection and sleek, modern aesthetics. It boasts an impressive 16-foot military-grade drop protection, which means it's built to survive some serious tumbles without turning your phone into a sad pile of glass shards. The crystal krill design isn't just about looks. It's made with anti-cellaring materials to ensure your case stays pristine, showing off the gorgeous Galaxy S25 Ultra design without that dreaded cloudy look over time. One of the standout features is the 360 DEG rotatable kickstand, which isn't just a gimmick, it's a game changer. Whether you're binge watching your favorite shows, hopping on video calls, or following a recipe hands-free, this kickstand adjusts to any angle you need. Plus, it's MagSafe-Compatible, which is great if you're into wireless charging or using magnetic accessories. Now, how does it stack up against competitors like the ESR magnetic case? Well, while the ESR is slimmer and great for minimalists, the CASEKOO outperforms it in terms of durability and versatility. The ESR might slide into your pocket more easily, but the CASEKOO gives you peace of mind with extra protection. Perfect if you're someone who tends to drop their phone. No judgment, we've all been there. The only downside? It's slightly bulkier than slim fit cases, but honestly, the added protection is worth it. If you value both style and safety, this case is a must-have. 6. Anker Zolo 1000 My Portable Charger. Next up is the Anker Zolo 1000 My Portable Charger, and let me tell you, this thing is a lifesaver. Imagine being out and about, your phone battery dropping faster than your favorite playlist's beat, and you've got no charger in sight. That's where the Zolo steps in. It's compact, lightweight, and packed with a 1000 mAh battery, enough to fully charge your Galaxy S25 Ultra almost 2 times before needing a recharge itself. What makes it stand out? The built-in USB-C cable that doubles as a lanyard. Yep, no more digging through your bag for a tangled mess of cables. It's all right there, sleek and easy to access. Plus, with 30W fast charging capability, your phone will be back to 100% in no time. Perfect for travelers, commuters, or anyone who's constantly on the go. When comparing it to other power banks like the Anker PowerCore Slim, the Zolo wins hands down in terms of convenience. The PowerCore Slim has great battery life, but it doesn't come with a built-in cable, which means one more thing to remember to pack. The only drawback with the Zolo, its capacity might not be enough if you're a heavy device user or going off-grid for a few days. But for day-to-day use, it's compact, powerful, and incredibly convenient. If you're someone who hates dealing with extra cables, this one's for you. 3. Belkin MagSafe Macmillan 1-in-1 Magnetic Foldable Charger. Now, let's talk about charging at home or even at work with the Belkin MagSafe Commercial 2-in-1 Magnetic Foldable Charger. This isn't your average wireless charger. Belkin really knocked it out of the park with this design. It's Q2 certified, offering 15W fast wireless charging for your Galaxy S25 Ultra and even an Apple Watch or earbuds simultaneously. The foldable design makes it super portable, so you can easily slip it into your bag when you're traveling. The magnetic alignment is incredibly satisfying. Just snap your phone on and it locks into place perfectly every time. No fiddling around trying to find the charging sweet spot. Plus, the non-slip base ensures your devices stay secure even if your desk gets a little chaotic. What's even better, it comes with a power supply unit, PSU included, so you don't need to hunt down extra accessories. How does it compare to other wireless chargers like the Samsung DuoPad? While the DuoPad is great, it's bulkier and lacks the foldable, travel-friendly design that the Belkin offers. The Belkin also supports MagSafe, which adds a layer of convenience, especially for iPhone users in the family. The only downside? It's a bit on the pricier side, but considering the features and build quality, it's worth every penny if you're serious about wireless charging. 2.free 1.7x telephoto lens for smartphones. For all the photography enthusiasts out there, the Freewell 1.7x telephoto lens is an absolute game changer. Whether you're into portrait shots or wildlife photography, this lens lets you capture stunning, detailed images without the distortion you often get with digital zoom. It offers a 1.7x magnification, making distant subjects appear closer while maintaining crisp detail. The build quality is top-notch, crafted with premium optical glass that reduces glare and ensures vibrant, sharp photos. It's easy to attach thanks to the 17mm threaded mount, and it's compatible with most smartphone cases that support external lenses. What's great is how well it handles light. Your photos stay bright and clear even in challenging conditions. Compared to other lenses like the Moment-Tel lens, the Freewell holds its own. While Moment lenses are slightly more compact, the Freewell offers better light gathering, especially in low light situations. The downside? It's a bit bulkier, and you'll need to carry it separately if you're traveling light. But if photography is your passion, this lens will elevate your smartphone shots to professional levels. 1. LISEN Retractable 69W USB-C car charger. Finally, for those always on the road, the LISEN Retractable 69W USB-D car charger is a must-have. This isn't your typical car charger. It's designed with retractable cables, which means no more tangled messes cluttering your car. With 69W of fast charging power, it can charge your Galaxy S25 Ultra and another device simultaneously without breaking a sweat. The retractable design is super convenient. Just pull the cable when you need it and retract it when you're done. It also has both USB-C and USB-A ports, so it's versatile enough to handle all your devices. Plus, the build quality feels premium with a sleek, durable design that blends seamlessly with your car's interior. How does it stack up against other car chargers like the Anker PowerDrive Ido Duo? While the PowerDrive offers great charging speeds, it doesn't have retractable cables, which is a game changer for keeping your car neat. The only downside with the LISEN is that the retractable mechanism might wear out over time with heavy use, but for now, it's holding up like a champ. If you hate cable clutter in your car, this is the charger for you. And the winner is? Alright, time to crown the winner. While all these accessories are fantastic, the CASEKOO Crystal Clear 360 DEG Spin Magnetic Stand case takes the crown. It offers the perfect balance of protection, functionality, and style, making it an essential accessory for every Galaxy S25 Ultra user. The 16 magnified drop protection, MagSafe compatibility, and versatile kickstand put it ahead of the rest. But hey, that's just my pick. What do you think? Which accessory would you choose as your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest Galaxy S25 Ultra tips and accessories. And of course, all the links are in the description below if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching.